Engine overhauling, also known as an engine rebuild, is a comprehensive process of disassembling, inspecting, cleaning, repairing, and reassembling an engine to restore its performance and reliability, often undertaken when an engine's performance has significantly degraded. Here's a more detailed explanation. What it is. Engine overhauling involves taking an engine apart, thoroughly examining each component for wear and damage, replacing worn or damaged parts, and then reassembling the engine. Overview. 1. To decide if your engine needs an overhaul, look for signs like decreased performance, unusual noises, knocking, ticking, excessive oil consumption, increased fuel consumption, overheating, and excessive exhaust smoke. Then consult a mechanic for a professional assessment. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Signs indicating a potential need for an engine overhaul: declining performance, loss of power. If your car feels sluggish and lacks the usual acceleration, it could be a SIG. Decreased engine performance can stem from various issues, including a clogged air filter, faulty sensors, problems with the fuel system, or even transmission issues, potentially leading to reduced power and sluggish acceleration. Here's a more detailed breakdown of potential causes and what to look for. Common causes of reduced engine performance: clogged air filter. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, leading to reduced power and poor fuel economy. If your car's engine is losing power, several factors could be at play, including a clogged fuel filter, a faulty fuel injector, a clogged air filter, or even issues with the exhaust system or sensors. Here's a breakdown of potential causes and solutions. Possible causes: clogged fuel filter. A dirty or clogged fuel filter can restrict fuel flow, leading to a loss of power, especially during acceleration. Faulty fuel injectors. If fuel injectors are not spraying fuel properly. A sluggish engine, characterized by slow acceleration and a lack of power, can stem from various issues, including a dirty air filter, a faulty fuel system, problems with the ignition system, or even transmission issues. Here's a breakdown of potential causes and what to check. 1. Air intake issues. Dirty air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, causing it to work harder and leading to sluggishness. Check, inspect and replace if necessary. Reassembling an engine involves carefully reversing the disassembly process, ensuring proper lubrication, torque specifications, timing alignment, and reconnection of all components according to manufacturer specifications. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the process. 1. Preparation and inspection. Thorough cleaning. Clean all engine components thoroughly to remove dirt, debris, and old lubricants. Inspection. Inspect all components for wear, damage, or corrosion, and replac. If you like the video, please consider Here's a more detailed explanation. Purpose. The primary goal of an engine overhaul is to rejuvenate and restore an engine to its optimal operating condition, extending its lifespan and improving performance. Process. Disassembly. The engine is taken apart, allowing for thorough inspection of each component. Inspection. Cleaning. Worn or damaged parts are identified, and all components are cleaned to remove debris and contaminants. Repair. Replacement. Worn or damaged parts are repaired or